honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Either way, I'm so happy that you're here. Today is going to be the beginning of me really trying to get our house ready for summer. You guys know we have lots of kids in this house. Summer is going to be so wild, so crazy, but so much fun. And what I mean by get my house ready for summer is I want to get my house very cleaned out. I plan to declutter quite a bit. I decluttered a cabinet that was in our kitchen that holds a lot of the kids' art stuff. I want to get all of their activity type stuff as well as like their bike helmets, making sure I have all the right sizes and just making sure we have everything that we need to kind of make our house run smoothly in the summer. That sounds great, right? That's at least the idea in my head, is get the house like off to a fresh start, knowing where everything is. And we also got this new outdoor furniture little set. It was sent to me and I will link it down below. We have been really liking it to sit outside, even though we both have been having crazy seasonal allergies. We do really love sitting outside though, so I will link that below if you're interested. But like I said, we love sitting outside and we love cooking outside. We are always cooking on the Blackstone as well as the grill, and we use both. Let me know if you guys have a grill or a Blackstone and if you use one or the other. We honestly, like I said, we use both because we like making more like meals, like fried rice and breakfast and things on the Blackstone, and then we grill steaks or burgers or chicken or things that we will grill. I know you can kind of like grill on the Blackstone, but I don't know, we personally use them both, but just in different ways. Now that was like a random little side tangent, but I was kind of looking at that while I was editing Josh putting together the furniture, and it looks like I'm completely just ignoring him because it was on my phone this entire time. I had to edit some stories for a Instagram Mother's Day campaign that I was in, so that is what I was doing while he was doing that. He did need my help with the tabletop. I actually like that this opens because we put all the kids' water guns in it because they are always all over our backyard.
I've been busy working late, unrehearsed in my faith, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. I'm busy loving myself. I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me.
I know I have said this forever, but I feel like I do a pretty good job at keeping the main area of our home clean and reset, and my room and bathroom just like goes to the wayside, and then I'll just kind of get sick of it and I'm like, okay, this needs a good deep clean, and that is what I was doing. I feel like I end up filming a lot in my room and my bathroom because I end up putting it off for so long that I'm just like, okay, we need to go in, we need to do this. And I really do love this, I think it's called Shadazzle cleaner. I got it on Amazon for the shower. It will leave white marks if you do not rinse it off good enough or scrub it off good enough. I've noticed there is some white streaking in the shower, but I really like it for the stovetop. I think you can use it on like a lot of different things, but I do really like that. But I felt like it did good on the doors, but then it will leave the white streaks, especially on like the main part of the shower. Our room was so dusty, and I've been really liking the Method wood cleaner again lately. For some reason, I've been pulling out all my Method cleaners. It brings me kind of back to my like OG YouTube days because I feel like everyone used to use Method, and I used to use the Method Honeycrisp Apple, which I have not seen in so long. I actually am wondering if that's still a scent. Maybe it's just not in my area. That was the scent that I remember using the most. Getting this out just reminded me of that.
You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying, yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want.
I am honestly so guilty of having so many drinks pile up on my nightstand and then like just you know, going through and cleaning them all up at once because, like I said, my room for some reason is just, I feel like not an area that I clean as much. I need to do a lot better at that. I just, like I said, keep up with the main area of the house so much better. And my room, especially my bathroom, I feel like kind of gets put off.
Odyssey, yeah. I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want.
Another area that I had been putting off for a while was our pantry. I needed to like honestly go through everything in here, and I was kind of dreading it because I knew there was a lot that did not need to be in here. And my mom had actually gotten her pantry like redone with some like system. We had closet people come in and they're so neat, but she had all these bins from her pantry and she asked if I wanted them, and I feel like they honestly made everything look a lot more uniform in my pantry. I went ahead and put all of the things in these white bins. The only thing I don't like is that you can't see through for things that are up higher because I'm so short, but I do know for the most part what is in all of them. We always have the most snacks in this house. I'm actually getting off of buying, as you see me literally organizing all these bag snacks, yeah right, but I'm getting off of a little bit buying bag snacks because they have been sitting in here for a little while and the kids have been on like a big kick of just eating like popcorn and like honestly simple things that like I don't need to be buying that many bag snacks. I had gotten rid of so many things, and in this next clip, you guys are gonna see like a seriously massive size bruise on my leg from running into the bed. And when I say I had this bruise for like weeks, it seriously seemed like I had it for weeks, and I was watching it like just grow and seriously stay on my leg forever, but it is finally gone now when I'm filming this voiceover. It's so funny. It was just like an accessory at that point in time.
My tattoos is a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy. Under my tattoos, there's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah. There's a remedy, oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, yeah. It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk
our fridge is probably the worst it has been in a while. Needs a clean out and a wipe down so bad. So let's get it. So many old leftovers. These leftovers a lot of times go in here to die.
No, it hurts anyway. Don't bother. As long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over.
And yes, this is a different video. I just live in this jacket and these sweatpants. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I just tend to wear the same clothes. Like I have other clothes in my closet. I do, I promise. When I find something that's comfy or things like multiple items that are comfy, I just tend to grab for those same items. I don't know why. It's like I do have other clothes, I promise, but I just don't like wearing them. Like these sweatpants are my favorite, and every time they're clean I'm like, oh, like, and it's slightly cold outside, I'm just like, yep, let's put them on. And I ended up even getting a new color of them. I got like a coralish color, and I don't love the coral color quite as much, and plus I got a stain on them the first day I got them. So I don't know, these blue ones are just like a staple, as well as this jacket. I love the length of it because I'm so short. But anyways, our fridge needed a good clean, and again, I had a white bin I put in here, and we always have cheese. Like, one thing about our house is we're going to have cheese. It is kind of a little bit excessive.
It's over. It can't be over. Over. We hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over.
So this cabinet is honestly used for so many different things. It has my syrups and our drink packets on the top, and the kids are always coming over here making waters. We'll make a water or a flavored soda, whatever. Like, we are using this as that, and it's next to the drink fridge, so I feel like it just makes sense. But I put a lot of the kids' like slime and craft things in here because it's right by the table, and I just feel like it's an easy place to kind of like throw stuff in and keep it hidden. But you guys, there has been so many things that have accumulated, papers and yarn and like just things that I honestly needed to get rid of, notebooks that were just like done for. So I got all of this moved, as well as cleaned out a lot of it.
And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
The drawers in our kitchen were honestly a little embarrassing, but it is what it is. We had so many chargers, and again, like yarn and just so many different random kid things because we've got 6 kids in this house, and I just feel like this is something like I have to do often. Otherwise, these drawers and this art area just stay crazy, but I love having that little cabinet to kind of put all the art stuff in. I just feel like it's close enough to be able to get to, but it's also kind of like out of sight. as well as these shoe bins could work for having 8 people in this house, it honestly has worked very well. I do have the kids keep their shin guards and their soccer shoes in their room, so I moved those of Ellery's down to her room, but I do feel like it's been working out well. I have all the kids just keep like their main shoes in here. I don't know why I have so much lint in here. Every time I emptied the dryer, I just empty the dryer. I don't know what I even just said. I tend to just throw all the lint in this basket. Why? I have no idea. I'm not collecting it for anything, but it just happens. And then I just go through like this and clean it out. But my washer and dryer gets so dusty, probably because I leave all this lint in here. I don't know, it just be dusty in here. Okay, that's what it is. And so I was just giving that a very good dusting. And then shocker, we had dishes. We had dishes, another day, another load of dishes to do. I feel like I said this in one of my last videos, but it has been a while since I mopped, and everyone was gonna be out of the house for the next hour or so, so I needed to hurry up and get this house mopped. And I actually went to Walmart and didn't know what to get to mop with because I haven't been loving anything. I was on an Odoban kick for a while, and then I just felt like when I would mop with it, it just didn't give a whole lot of scent. And so I just picked up, I haven't used this in forever, just plain Pine Sol. Okay, honestly, kind of underrated because it did make the house smell very clean and fresh, and I can't complain. It honestly wasn't a bad idea.
Party until I drop. When I begin, I don't know how to stop. I can party on till the morning comes, till the sun goes up. We don't stop, no. I see you looking at me, but you don't stand a chance, you see. You don't know how to act. I'm looking for class. Can you please take a step back?
Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I plan to do a lot more getting my house ready for summer. I hope that you guys will come along with me. I hope you guys will subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.